This is the front panel of a digital video recorder that was defective, and I salvaged this part because I want to put in my Bluetooth receiver into it with a battery and to be able to use it with a headphone jack, any headphone I want. Until now I had this module mounted on my best headphone and with a 18650 battery. But this is slightly smaller, only 800-900 milliamps, but this should last for at least 5-6 hours, and I can charge it through the Bluetooth receiver. So this is really great. The voltages match, if you can see, 3.7 volts. It doesn't say anything about the capacity, but it's somewhere around 700 and 900 milliamps. So yeah, all this I can mount just with this hole for the headphone jack and one screw here with a riser, support, mainboard, logic board, whatever you call it, and the screw on the other side. So I have to cut the plastic, and cut out some room here for the USB plug to charge it. Yeah, so I have to take this apart. Hey, focus. Focus. One screw here, which holds the vertical screw. This is a genius invention. Yeah. And I'll cut it off with a jigsaw, pendular saw, whatever you call this thing. What do you call it? It cuts plastic just fine. So let's see. I will leave a little room. I do it off camera because this is loud and uninteresting. So I got this sawed off. Now for the plug, very carefully, for the USB charging. Oh, I can't fit in there with the saw. This is unfortunate, because the saw is too long. So maybe if I go at an angle here, like that. Yep, that worked. And one more cut here into my finger. Okay, the screw fell out, but that's no problem. So let's see. Yeah. So if I put this thing back in, like that, the battery has to go a bit further, like that. Okay. And there is more space here for some supports or something to hold the battery in, or just hot glue, I don't know. I will leave this part open. I won't cover it. Maybe just here, because I need access to the buttons, especially to the power button, the volume button, and next, forward. That doesn't really help me. That I don't care about that. Mode, maybe. With that you can select the MP3 player function and radio function that doesn't work, so yeah, maybe for MP3. But I don't really listen to music like that. It's usually from a phone or computer or something, not from an SD card. But who knows, maybe in the future. So, where's the screw? The little screw. What did I do? That's not the screw. Oh, here it is. Okay, so first let's rip this out, this part of plastic. Let's hope it breaks evenly. Oh, that's ugly. That's really ugly. I have to cut it with a box cutter or something to make it slightly prettier. Like that. On that side. On this side. Yeah. Not pretty, but slightly better. Like that. And like that. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. It passes for perfect here. Let me put this screw back in to see how it will look. Like that. Put this in its place. Come on, what's happening here? Oh, the screw is too... Something. Oh, it's not in its place. Yeah. You have to assemble it in order. So, ignoring the stupid hot glue here, let me get a USB cable. Like this one. And in which direction? Like that. I can charge it. Perfect. It fits. And remove it carefully because new plugs are hard to insert and take out. And this is it. Let me check if it works. Like with my old headphones. It's set to connect automatically to my computer. Press power and it will connect. Perfect. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. So yeah, all I have to do now is hot glue everything in. The SD card slot is accessible, the buttons are accessible. I put some semi-transparent hot glue on this annoying light, and I can use this Bluetooth receiver with anything. Like with my phone while I'm going somewhere, and yeah, maybe MP3 from the card. Radio doesn't work, and yeah, this should offer me like 6 hours of battery life.